Hi, let's talk about rotate string. So given two string s and go, return true if and only if s can become go after the some number of shift on s. The shift on s consists of number of the leftmost character of s to the rightmost position. So in this situation, it give an example on A, B, C, D, E, right? So you will shift like one character, so you become B, C, D, E, A, right? So this is the idea. So you need to know, you need to connect the end character to the front, right? So I have an idea like just combining the string s together. So A B C D E A B C D E. I will combine these together, and I will use the IndexOf method to check does this string inside my combined string. If they happen, then I just return true. If not, then just -1, right? So -1 means false, right? Because IndexOf return an integer, right? So for the first case, if the length are not the same, s and go, you just return false. So if s.length is not equal to go.length, return false. Then I will create a string builder. So this sb. I would add s and s into my string builder. So this will become ABCDE, ABCDE, right? And then I will try to find CDEAB, right? CDEAB in a string, and which is true, right? So I'm using the IndexOf. So return sp.toString dot IndexOf. So if this is I'm gonna check if it's -1 or not. So if you find it, then just return true. If you didn't find it, return false. And if you're not believing, just run a code and let's pass a test. And here we go. So let's talk about time and space complexity. So let's talk about space complexity. You have two length of s in the string builder, but 2 times s is equal to s for the time complexity, for the space complexity, right? So for the space complexity is actually all of s, right? And the time complexity is a little bit difficult, right? So you have IndexOf method. So if you wanted to get the code for IndexOf, you have to search online. But I'm going to talk about how to summarize the IndexOf the time complexity. So basically, you have a string which is your SB, right? And your pattern is go, right? So you traverse every single character in the SB string. So they will cost you what? All of 2 times s times index of go, which is pattern. So you become g. So 2 times s times g, which is 2 times s. So if you want to just use a common character, you can use m times n. So this is the length of the string. This is the pattern of the string. So this is the total for the time complexity. And this will be the solution. And if you feel helpful, subscribe if you want it. Like the video if you feel helpful, and leave a comment if you have any question. And I will see you next time. Bye.